Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. All right, so today's video, we are going to revamp this wig. All right, so as you can see, I am going to just do a little bit of some type of trimming and layering to this wig. Okay, so right here, I'm just trying to just fix the bang because this is an old wig, so the layers are kind of like choppy-ish, or they weren't just working for me. So I'm just going to try to work it and see if I can, or if I cut the bang a little too short, which I think I did previously. So we'll just see if we can make it work. All right, so we just keep trimming and we're just trying to even out everything and make everything connect and just clip some of the ends, as you can see. So originally I wanted to do a bob, but maybe I got lazy and I changed my mind afterwards. All right, so yeah, we're just cutting and making sure everything is evened up a little bit, as you can see. All right, so just getting rid of some of those ends and just, yeah. Now I'm just doing a little bit of thinning to the end so it's not so blunt and, has a little bit of some movement to it. All right, so I'm just going all the way around there. And I have some thinning shears. That's what I'm using. Now I am revamping it. So I am speeding this video up. As you can see, I am using some Blonde Me and some regular Clear All 30 volume developer. So I pretty much was just like, all right, I have to figure out what I'm going to do with this wig. I know I want to lighten it, but I really didn't know what exactly I wanted to do because I kept on having to remix new developer and powder because I kept running out, and I underestimated what I wanted to do. I was really just going to fix the top layer because at the top layer there was a sharp line or something. So I was like, oh, I'm just going to add little streaks and little highlights here and there. But then I said, oh, why not just add some, do the whole damn thing. So now I'm adding powder, which please do not judge me. This is a horrible crap job, but it's interesting to watch. Nonetheless, I do achieve something at the end of this. So what I did was not put a whole bunch of product on the hair. And then I'm like, all right, Nyasha, you got to put some product on his hair because if you want this to lift, hurry up. And I only wanted to do this thing for about like 5 minutes. Turned out doing this thing for about like a good 20 minutes. But you're not going to see that whole thing. So I'm just putting as much here. As you can see, yeah, nothing major going on. What I am hoping for is to get like this nice blonde and different variations of blondes. So some honey blondes, some light blondes, some like number 9s, 10s. Because right now the color that I have, it's okay. It's just more of like a brown, rust looking brown. It's not too orange, it's really brown, but I'm not really going for that color anymore. I'm trying to do a little bit of a lighter pop. So we'll see how it comes out and hopefully it'll work out. And the only reason why I'm saying we'll see is because I'm just freestyling, y'all. This is all freestyle. There was no rhyme or reason to doing this. All right. I do not recommend, if you are freestyling, make sure you do it in some type of order. So as you saw, I did separate it and I did have it in kind of a section because you can't just, you want to make sure you saturate everything so you don't get any blotchiness patches, which I did kind of get a little blotchiness and I had to go over it. Not a whole lot. I just left it on. But this hair is so amazing. Oh my God. This is the second time I'm processing it. And this time I left this on for like super long and nothing bad happened to the hair. The hair didn't break, it didn't shed, it didn't do anything. Like, this hair is the bomb. So go to mercycouturewigs.com. All right, check us out. But no, seriously, this hair was the bomb. All right, so yes, it looks like I have nothing on the hair. But as you can see, the little streaks that I did put in, those were the areas that had some coloring that I needed to do over again. But some things are coming through, as you can see, and I'm just taking my time and I'm going through it and I'm just doing all the coloring that I can pretty much basically do, as you can see. All right, so everything is going through, and I combed it together. I tried to saturate it as much as I can. Things are lifting, so that's always good. It's working. I didn't put any aluminum foil because, like I said, I wasn't trying to do this whole extra project. It was already lifted. I just wanted to add a little bit more lift to it. So right now I am toning. So we are toning, guys. We are toning this whole thing. Okay, we're going to put this toner saturated throughout the whole hair so we can get everything. No orange, no brassy tones wanted. Okay, we want everything to look nice. So I actually used T14 for this because I had the hair, some parts were light enough to get it, and whatever wasn't light enough, hopefully it'll add a little tint to it. So I use that, and of course you mix it 1 part bottle with 2 bottles worth of 20 volume developer. Just read the manufacturer's instructions and you should not go wrong. Hopefully you shouldn't go wrong. Or just watch a bunch of other videos on YouTube, and that way you can, educate yourself on how to do this the proper way. All right, so I'm just putting it through, and I'm lathering it using the whole thing, and I'm making sure it gets in. Use gloves, guys. Use gloves because you're dealing with peroxide, and after a while it will burn, okay? But for some reason I did not put the gloves back on because I was multitasking, and I'm like, oh gosh, we have to hurry up and get this done, okay? Because I wanted to have a life and go somewhere, apparently. Ha ha ha. All right, so we are basically doing that, and now all of it is done, and I am just making sure I get everything and all the nooks and crannies that I can possibly get. So I make sure that everything is saturated with the toner, and you leave it on. Oh, look at it. Hey. All right, so you leave it on for about good 45 minutes. But this is the hair, all right, after it's washed, looking nice, and now I'm curling it, okay? So I'm basically trying to get, that's the bang, curling it. So I curled everything, and here is the final look. The color came out so nice. I really, really love the color. I love all the different blondes. I love everything about it. Now I'm just combing things through, just making sure everything is, nice and just fluffy. So it came out a lot shorter than I like now. What I probably would do is cut it into a bob next time, but look at all of that. I love it. Okay, so it's a nice short bob. That's pretty much what it is. It's a nice short, easy style, natural looking. Oh my gosh, look at these blondes. Look at these blondes. I'm like, uh-oh, there goes a knot. Sorry. But as you can see, yes, it is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I just love everything about it. I love the bounce. I love the curls. It's just amazing. And I love the color. The color is amazing. All right. So this is wonderful. Don't forget to check us out on mercycouturewigs.com. All right. Order a custom wig from us. We have glueless custom wigs, HD lace. Our lace is popping. Our hair is popping. Look how, this is ridiculous. This is like a triple process over here. And look how good the hair has turned out. Okay. Awesome. It's soft. It's amazing. I'm just like in love with the color. I'm really excited. It got a little root realness going on. You cannot go wrong. So like, subscribe. All right. And again, thanks for watching, and check out our other videos. All right. Later.